Hi, this is Bucky with Transit and Level Clinic, and today I wanted to do just a brief tutorial on how to locate various resources on the Spectra Precision website. We get calls every day regarding where to find files that would allow you to upgrade things like Survey Pro, to find things like release notes for new firmware for a particular robot or GPS, as well as finding the actual firmware that may go with the robot or GPS. There are various ways to get to most of these resources on the site. For example, you can create an account and then be able to get them through your account. For me, instead of signing in, it's a lot easier just to pinpoint exactly where I want to go by locating the product that I want to search the file for. For example, if I was interested in upgrading Survey Pro from, let's say, 5.2 to their newest version of 5.8, I could go to their website, again, spectraprecision.com. This will lead you to their survey website. They also have a construction website and the accessories website. But this will have all the construction products, your GPS, your robots, total stations, data collectors, etc. So for this particular example, let's go and click the Survey Solutions, and then we're going to upgrade Survey Pro. Now you'll see that you also have Fast Survey, which is Cross and Serve CE for Spectra products. You have Layout Pro, you have SPSO, etc. Again, we're going to click on Survey Pro, and it will bring us to this product page. Now, again, because this is a website, it will have some vital sales information and things like that, some features, a description of the product, etc., up at the top. But if we slide all the way down to the bottom, we will see a support section. And you will see this section for basically all of the products which would have a download file attached. For this particular software, Survey Pro, we have both documentation as well as information on the Max Plus mode, as well as our Survey Pro downloads. Okay, so in this case, again, we are looking to download the newest version of Survey Pro, so we'll select Downloads for Survey Pro, and then it will bring us to another website, in this case, that gives us every file back to the 4.11. So at this point, we can click on the file, and it will bring us up a complete installation, and then we can download it and install it from there. For each one of these editions, you also see the release notes. It's important to read the release notes, especially if you're looking at what models are being taken out of usage on the software, if something's been added. For example, we have a lot of customers that may be running some legacy TopCon products, for instance. But over the lifespan of Survey Pro, several of those legacy products have been taken out. So obviously, you're not going to want to upgrade to something, let's say, like 5.8 is the latest version, when in fact 5.2 may have been the last version you could use with that software. So again, these are the release notes, and they can be downloaded. Down at the bottom, we have some other tools. We have a sync program that allows us to import and export. We have some geoid files. Of course, if you're looking to maybe put in a geoid for use with GPS surveying, all of the geoids are located under geoid files. If you want to convert an FEA, so the older type of FEA feature code list, to an FXL, which goes into the new 5.0 Survey Pro, there's a free file converter, there's a JXL style sheet converter, etc. So a lot of different tools that are directly related to the Survey Pro software. Now, also available user manuals. User manuals obviously are pretty important and pretty difficult to find now that most of the manufacturers do not print these. If you go back, you'll have Survey Precision, Survey Pro documentation. You can click here, and it will bring up our full manuals as well as, again, your release notes. For this, we'll go into manuals, and you can tell here that we do have a manual archive, but we have a full reference manual for Survey Pro 5.0, and then we have various user guides for 5.8 all the way down to 5.1. Basically, those user guides will go over a lot of the changes that have happened in that edition, but the reference manual for 5.0 will go over each menu in detail. You'll also have a little user guide for Survey Precision Central, which is a great tool. It's a great cloud service that Spectra Precision offers for free through Survey Pro, and that will help you to set it up and to be able to use it. Now, if you run Spectra Precision or Nikon software, hardware, you can also find the newest firmware versions for those particular products. One of our biggest sellers is the Spectra Precision SP80 GPS. So if we select the SP80, and again sliding down to the bottom, we will have a support section. And again, we have the user manuals that are dedicated to this product. We have some frequently asked questions. And if we keep going down, we have things like firmware versions, release notes, etc. So for this particular product, if we wanted to download the newest firmware version 2.12, we can download that, and it will download with instructions on how to install that directly to the GPS very easily without paying a repair center or service center to do that for you. So again, Spectra Precision, their site is a very good site. It contains all the information, all the downloadable files that you will need. And obviously, I think the easiest way to find those files is to select on the category and then to select the product. And then again, go down to the bottom and you'll see the downloads section. If you have any other questions on how to find information for the Spectra Precision products or Leica or Carlson products, please call us at our office at 919-467-7782, or you can visit us on the web at www.transitandlevel.com. We appreciate you joining us for this video. We hope it has helped you, and we look forward to seeing you on our next video.